Anytime I open to the news, got me questioning, thinking about my truth. Tell me how you feel right now, yeah. Tell me what this make you wanna do. Shit getting real right now. Gotta organize the troops, yeah. Uptown level for the people, dog. That'll never change. Yeah, bad habits creep into the picture. Gotta crop it out the frame. And if you pay me, you better figure out a budget for my bros. Tell me how you feel.
You ain't got a clue, let's be honest. I had a couple seeds that made a forest. I put in the work and take the profit. Looking at my girl like what a goddess. Rule number 2, don't make the promise. If you can't keep the deal, then just be honest. Can never die, I'm Chuck Norris. Fuck the government and fuck Boris, yeah. My brothers don't die, we just pussy walk. I tell you, I got to link me at the coffee shop. Getting freaky in the sheets for taking body shots. Then I feel like superficial just to take it off.
Yeah, call it Park in the house. Alright, slick, we got Bun B.
So, what you want to damn? Look at that face, look at those eyes, look at them hips, look at them thighs. Got that apple bottom, baby fat top, baby girl, you a bad mother. Girl, I ain't tripping and I ain't hating, but I've been watching and I've been waiting. Like the way that you shake that thing, looking like you finna break that thing. You need to let me.
Dale a tu cuerpo alegría Macarena, que tu cuerpo pa' darle alegría y cosas buenas. Dale a tu cuerpo alegría Macarena.
Macarena, hey, chop on a nigga, time to sprinter. Bitches on my dick, give me 1 minute, hey, Macarena, hey, Macarena. Bitches on my stick, but my nigga hear me powder. No, she lick it up, nigga disappeared like Tata. She had $1,000, not a bitch getting out of. Yeah.
Pardon me while I elevate. May not be on time, but I'm never late. Blazing like the flame that you wanna be. Flavor like your baby mama cup of tea. You see the company I'm keeping now. Feeling like I'm dreaming, I keep feeling like I'm dreaming. Don't come around if you don't be around. I've been there, you believe me now. Baby, I'm not flying, but I'm floating. If we're not headed to the top, where we going? 2 miles an hour, can you picture me rolling? Cause life is so much better when you live in slow motion.
Yeah. Walk up in the thing, I be on my game. If it's competition, I put them to shame. Different kind of chicks, we are not the same. I raised all these babies, call me Captain Jackson. Please don't steal my style, I might cuss you out. What you doing now? I did for a while. Listen, go ahead, let it slide. I'ma snatch they wigs till I see that sky. I don't need rehearse. The way I throw it back, I show the whole crowd how it works. All I know is hustle. I put that on my set. I'm sick, and it won't take long. Feel my sick.
da 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 da. When I popped off, then your girl gave me just a little bit of hot chop. Baby, so cold, he from the north, he from the Canada. Man, go so low, I got nothing else that I can withdraw. Ran up the door, I shot my wrist, it go like sha sha sha, sha sha sha. I got your bitch singing la la la, la la la. I shot my wrist, it go like sha sha sha, sha sha sha. I got your bitch singing la la la, la la la. How I try like
The hustle till I pass out. We said on my set, on my set, we said the hustle till I pass out. We said on that big boss, people in the